gi Senator Siaya. Currently, I'm going to contest again. Kipenya na chungi chama mane majusi bedu kapenya maybe ka wona yud chance mar answer TV kai. Tangisi ni Senator Majidwaro Omondi manopode party mara. Nikech discussion. Because I'm a living example. Marazoni. Nachung ODM. To wadhi bura kamilongo no Range House. Chairman mar party makrono kuchung milongo ni Mbadi. No wacho e bura. Ni issue mar governor Siaya, the party and the NEC has decided Nimondo give me direct ticket to James Orengo. So chegontire jiadek Mbeya no chung deputy governor Marora Sanga no chung negise chulo pesa. Pesa no kod work nigi those guys were given direct ticket. Yeah, James Orengo. This is gigi experience. Can I just finish? One more. Gimate moreno no timore ward mara mawuok e Kaler ward. Ka neto chuno ni nyaka mi sami onyoro ticket. No bedo namba 4. To chuno gi thuon. Koro ka wadhi kamano to wach mar Senate Siaya. An be Nachung ODM. To kendo chairman Mbadi owacho ni wach mar ODM Senate Siaya, the NEC has decided to me direct ticket ni Oburu Odinga. Singen seche go wabe wachung kanyo. Koro nochu na sechego Joyce na ring adhi adwar Eugene Wamalwa mondo omia ticket mar DPK which was part of the Azimio. Koro ka said the DPK to gijokomia ticket ba chungo ba joko declare one called John Pesa was running for governor Mamigori nintike yana morombi lungo ni I don't remember his name Obeno ran for Senator Mamigori. Koro wadhi kachaba yodo tickets we went to the ground for tickets again. Kocho pe ground to wa campaign maber. One also see agmilungo ngade nywande. Nikech Nicholas Gumbo nene both the boy with the UDM ticket. Koro wa de ngade nywande wa campaign maber. NSIS no advice Raila. What you do, we record luo Nyanza. Campaign kunde moko. Wawe ajogo nyagreka. Lakini yawagi nene ultimo matek both the current bubit matek for a long time. Bo persuade Raila Odinga ni yu nyakibi. Raila biro bo postpone okabi 2 weeks bo land Raila biro to mano luoro no all the thing about but we are still campaigning Joyce we believe ni democracy digine then after 2 weeks kuro Raila amua no biro ochako gisega to biro ugonja to wacho ni senator si Oburu ametosha to governor si Renga ametosha kuro zoning kuro ngado kakarecho probably where she's talking, she must only lobedo candidate to poko suffer the same experience mas some of us also suffer. That is the reason why Osco Mundis are more working. I go chung ko the chama mar ODM. But discussion mina no kakuro joge wachoni girecho gire wachoni. It scares us. Marizoning no. To I believe no one was a campaign for many years. We've been relevant. Was a way TV kai. Wangeo need your pain moero wa gichuni gimale. Give me what chance to go. To kaponegi confuse then I don't watch any ODM. But also ODM chande. Then gikao ticket to gikelo at the last minute. Okay, neka tire sheria. Because the election sample, I think matendo. Until election zako mosa chakre. O chakre kama. In the next 3 months, ngamani serikali mati yusa nyaka resign mondobi. Anyway,
wadi yoyo madundo. Nyakoro mugeji wangi na mar mondomi wadi yoyo madundo gisani. Kawa duogo, benobo bedo kawa winjo. Moko kum duaro. Majo linda mwananchi nitire godo. Kakorka giduaro mar mondomi.